If you're thinking of selling your home, I get it. It's like the cost of going out and trying to do a full makeover. Some of us just can't do right now. So I'm going to give you 5 low cost ideas in order to improve the value of your home and then make it more attractive to your buyers. Number 1, paint your trim. There's nothing worse than walking in and seeing fidgety trim where there's fingerprints and everything all over. Whether it's just giving it a makeover with the color it is or just giving it a little pop with a different color. Number 2 would be to improve your interior doors. Just take out one of the doors and put in one like a vintage door or a pocket door. You'd be surprised what that would add to the attractiveness to buyers. Change out the old light fixture. There's nothing worse than coming in and seeing that old gold light fixture. You know the one that I'm talking about. Another one would be paint the front door. This is huge. You want to make it so attractive and inviting, and you want to make the house pop when you first walk in. And then the last would be add some dimension with molding in areas that you would never think about. So these are just 5 low-cost ideas to add some definition and character to your properties when getting ready to sell.